clearly, I make sure I'm in Gmail. I go back to my 9 dots over there. I go to YouTube. I've got this thing over here, this little dot when it comes round. I'm going to go to my channel and I'm going to upload my video. Upload a video is that. Upload. You can go live. What that means is you can use YouTube to record yourself and you go live on YouTube while you're talking. Okay, I'm going to upload and my video is my Didge. Damn it, where is it now? Sort by type. 100 MP4s. That guy. Pick my video. Right. A few things to learn about YouTube. Sharing. Public. What does that mean? Oh no, everybody. Abafundi. Everybody can see that thing. Right. We don't really want that. You've got unlisted. Now unlisted means it's not visible. Private means it's you only, but you can still share it and pick people. Okay? Unlisted means that is where you've got to actually have a link to it to be able to see it. That's fine because you can then now put it on your blog and it'll work. If you get a problem with someone not being able to see the video, like you giving it to me and I'm marking it, I'd say I can't see your video. More than likely you've got a problem with this. It's set to private, unscheduled or unlisted or whatever it is. I always go for unlisted. Your videos will process faster. Okay, it's uploading. It's 20%. 20% of 524 megs. That's a quarter of it. So that's about 120 megs. It's already uploaded. It's quite quick. I'm always so hesitant with public because public means that you've got stuff in there that's maybe not that great that you didn't know about. It's public. So unless you're 100% certain that it's not inappropriate. So if it's a landscape and you don't mind it being found on the and you being traced on the internet, that's fine. If you're worried about that, I would tend to maybe make it unlisted. But you can change it. You can change stuff. I'm going to click on done. That will mean it's doing its stuff in the background. It will take a little while. When that comes up and it's ready to be shared, I'll be able to, just share it and post it on my blog.
What was the thing, but what was the theory, but you make a blog and everything? Can you delete the blog as well?
Mm-hmm.
I'm never going to use a blog in my life.
Mm.
Some people work. So like we need this blog now. Is it now blogging for the people, or is it that on that website itself, or is it for the people that isn't digital citizens?
It's basically you answering it's a portfolio of evidence. Essentially, they're both actually portfolios of evidence. It's just, so instead of going and sitting an exam and learning, you got an open book exam where you submit a portfolio of evidence. I don't like exams. I prefer this. Because people often don't do well in exams. I think it's a 200-year-old system that hasn't really changed to be appropriate. So I don't like exams. If I could have my way, I'd abolish them all. I think. Why I don't have my way. Okay, so it takes a while. Okay, we got 500 megs, it's half a gig of video. It's big. Okay? But remember, I was recording for the whole hour in class, so it's going to be big. This is a video of the first lecture. So that means you guys can go to it and use it. I'll put this link on my blog and you'll see it. So once it's done, oh, it takes ages. How much longer? About 2 minutes remaining. This is the process you will use for the POE. So you'll do a video. You can, thinking of it now, you can either do it in PowerPoint, but you might need to edit it. So then you're going to need to do it in Microsoft Photos. Again, I'll record that little exercise. So that means, and I'll post that on my blog. You can refer back to it. And it's got voice as well. It's recording my voice, so you'll hear my voice as well as me doing the actions. So it's quite easy to follow. And you can just go back and... That thing is my blog. It's got lots of stuff on it. Some of it's a bit old now, but there's quite a lot of stuff to follow and read and look at and all that sort of stuff. So every time I find something interesting, I post it. Here, this is a thing about Roundup, which I found yesterday. Monsanto's Roundup, damaging bees. This is a thing about the Apple Watch. The new Apple Watch is an EEG tool now. So it can record your EEG. It's only a single channel EEG, but they're saying it's quite good. I've got a whole lot of other pages over here. Okay. Assignment task 1. How to. Guess what? That's, I think, the PowerPoint. Is it? Oh yes, there at the bottom. So if you click on that, that's going to go off to, where does it go to? It might be Google Drive, but it's the PowerPoint. The URL itself in the top. It looks like Office Mix has died. Ew. Damn it. So that is fairly clear that it doesn't work. However, having said that, guess what? I have just recently uploaded everything to here. I think I stopped it. Did I stop it? No. Okay, so this over here is telling you how to do your assignment. There's lots of stuff on VC Learn. Lots and lots and lots of stuff. Alright? I think that's what I just went through. Alright? And that's the rubric. I'll discuss that as well. You go back to my YouTube. I want to see if it's done yet. I'll have to publish it. I will. As soon as it's done, I'll publish it. Then you'll see it. So I'll publish this on my blog. I'll publish this on VC Learn too. You'll see it. All right. Yes. Yeah.
Like, just getting straight here. The questions that we're answering. Okay. Where are we still doing it like on Microsoft Word and answering the questions, and then putting that document onto a blog somewhere that everyone can see it?
Something I thought about this morning for the first time. What if you could do it in Word and publish it straight onto your blog? So So I don't know if that works yet. If that works, I would say do that. And what made me think about that is it's possible if you upload a video. I'm actually going to show you now. When this is done, I'm going to show you how flipping easy it is to publish a YouTube video onto a blog.
Okay, so like this whole POE thing is you need to make a blog. Like, so I need to go and make a blog, and then how are you going to be able to see that blog?
Yeah, you missed the first class, but I kind of explained that to the whole class. It's all video recorded, so this video now that I'm uploading is basically a description of the last lesson.
So we'll be able to see that.
Yep. Because this is taking... Oh, there's the... Ah, look at that. There's my YouTube. Let's see if I can publish it. Publish. Okay. Look up there. See all these little icons over here? Can you see them? I've got one for Facebook, Blogger, Google+, Twitter, whatever that thing is, Reddit. You don't want to go there. That's a bit of a hacking thing. Tumblr and Pinterest. I want Blogger, so I just click on that like that. It's clever enough to know where I want to be. I don't want to be on that one. I want to put it on my other blog. So I'm going to change it to Paul Young's Digital Citizenship blog. And I'm just going to say publish. And it will publish it. The post has been published. Guess what? If I go back to my blog, which is here, and I go back to home, guess what I'll see on my home page? My brand new video that's ready for viewing. Can you see it there? Here we go.
So for the video, you can just basically invite the partner and choose to share and
Press. Okay. Right. How do we do
How
this?
easy is that?
I open up Chrome. I go into Gmail. I want to go into Gmail because I want to see that I'm.
So this is now what we did in the
Right
first
there.
section.
So that I know I've got a Google
We can go
account.
in,
I go to
re-listen
Blogger,
to it.
going to work. Right. Next thing.
It's a bit much, I know, it's a bit,
Open.
his head is feeding like a bloody farm raging.
If you get bored like me, you can open a new tab.
If you can follow this, it will be
And you can
fine.
go to dots over there. Scroll down.
No, it's on my
Blogger. There she
I'll
is.
publish it on VC
Bottom
Learn
down.
too, because I think I will, because a lot of people...
At this point,
I
you might
said to
be
the class in the
asked
beginning, I use a lot of
might be
platforms.
asked stuff about it.
I use Blogger, I use VC Learn, I
Or
use
you might end up like me,
Snapchat,
create a lot of blogs
Instagram.
on this page. At this point, you need to add a
I
new
will
blog.
show you
Where I do
how
that
do you
is
publish on Twitter.
that arrow there.
Simple as well.
Scroll down right at the bottom in that very
Twitter, I
difficult
click on the
space.
Twitter icon.
I click on it. There she comes. You'll get this page. Give it some kind of a
There we
title.
go. Log in and tweet. Who am I going to log in as?
It's not going there. Maybe just click your mouse there. Pause. Sorry, I just need to put in the pause. Task 1 and POE log. Nice and descriptive. I know what it's about.
Log in and tweet. I hope I got it
I need
right.
to give it a web address. At this point, I suggest using your student number. Mine is 189.
What is
Nine.
this?
I'm going to make mine 1899999. My student number is. I click there. If it gives me a blue tick, it means I can use it. If it's giving a red cross, can't use it. So I'm saying to you, use your student number because it is most likely to be unique.
Okay, let's go.
No one will have a student number like you. Okay? Then I say create blog. It's going to go and create the blog for Facebook file.
I want to... Oh, no, man. Doing.
That means you can't use what could you do Then you could maybe put a dash in and call it.
Go away, man.
2018, something basic.
Try that again.
That's what I was saying. If your number is not unique, just add a character to it. Pick one. Like, call it 18001. Yeah, it's blocked.
Okay, it doesn't like my password for some reason. I don't know why that is. Should I reset
Start by
that
using your
yesterday?
student number, because you know what I'm going to do when I look for your blog. I will look at your student number and I will guess it, just in case you don't give me the correct